If you've ever searched for ways to grow your hair faster, chances are you've come across one ingredient again and again: aloe vera. It's in shampoos, conditioners, DIY hair masks, and even viral beauty hacks. Some people swear by it, claiming it transformed their hair from dry and thinning to thick and healthy. But here's the real question: can aloe vera actually make your hair grow faster? Or is it just another popular myth that sounds good but doesn't really deliver? Today, we're diving into the truth behind aloe vera and hair growth, what it can do, what it can't, and whether it's worth adding to your routine, right here on History of Simple Things. Before we talk about hair, let's understand what aloe vera actually is. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that stores water in its thick, fleshy leaves. Inside those leaves is a clear gel packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. For centuries, it has been used in traditional medicine to treat burns, soothe skin, and promote healing. It's often called a miracle plant, and for good reason. Aloe vera contains vitamins like A, C, and E, which are known for their antioxidant properties. It also has vitamin B12 and folic acid, which play a role in cell growth. So, with all these nutrients, it's easy to see why people believe it might help hair grow faster. To understand whether aloe vera can speed up hair growth, we need to know how hair grows in the first place. Hair grows from tiny follicles in your scalp. Each strand goes through a cycle: a growth phase, a resting phase, and a shedding phase. On average, hair grows about ½ an inch per month, though this can vary depending on genetics, health, and lifestyle. Here's the important part. There's no magic ingredient that can suddenly double your hair growth speed overnight. Most products don't actually speed up the growth cycle itself. However, they can improve the conditions of your scalp and hair, which helps your hair grow stronger and healthier over time. So, where does aloe vera fit into all this? While aloe vera may not directly make your hair grow faster, it can create a healthier environment for hair growth. First, it helps soothe the scalp. If you have irritation, dryness, or itchiness, aloe vera's cooling and anti-inflammatory properties can calm the skin. A healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. Second, aloe vera can help reduce dandruff. Its natural enzymes and antibacterial properties may help control flakes and buildup that can clog hair follicles. Third, it moisturizes. Aloe vera is rich in water content, making it a great natural conditioner. It can hydrate both your scalp and hair strands, reducing breakage. And that's key. Less breakage means your hair appears to grow faster because you're retaining more length. This is where a lot of confusion happens. When people say aloe vera made their hair grow faster, what they're often experiencing is less damage and less hair fall. Their hair isn't breaking off as much, so over time it looks longer and fuller. It's not that the hair is growing faster from the root, it's that more of it is staying intact. Think of it like filling a bucket with a small leak. If you fix the leak, the water level rises more quickly, not because you're adding more water, but because less is being lost. That's essentially what aloe vera does for your hair. If you're curious about trying aloe vera, the good news is it's easy to use. You can apply fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant onto your scalp. Massage it gently and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Some people mix it with coconut oil, castor oil, or even a bit of honey for added moisture. Others prefer using hair products that already contain aloe vera as an ingredient. The key is consistency. Like most natural remedies, aloe vera won't give instant results. But with regular use, you may notice your hair becoming softer, shinier, and easier to manage. Aloe vera is generally safe for most people, but it's always a good idea to do a patch test first. Some individuals may have mild allergic reactions. Also, while aloe vera can support hair health, it shouldn't replace proper hair care. Things like a balanced diet, good hygiene, and minimizing heat or chemical damage play a much bigger role in hair growth. No single ingredient can fix everything on its own. So, can aloe vera really make your hair grow faster? Not exactly, at least not in the way most people expect. It won't magically speed up your hair growth cycle or give you inches overnight. But what it can do is improve scalp health, reduce breakage, and support stronger hair. And over time, that can make a noticeable difference in how your hair looks and feels. In other words, aloe vera doesn't change how fast your hair grows. It helps you keep the hair you already have. At the end of the day, aloe vera is less of a miracle cure and more of a supportive ally. It works quietly, improving the condition of your scalp and hair so that growth can happen naturally and effectively. It's simple, affordable, and backed by centuries of use. Not because it's magical, but because it works in a gentle and reliable way. So if you're looking for healthier, stronger hair, aloe vera might be worth adding to your routine. Just remember, real results take time, patience, and consistency. Because sometimes the secret to growth isn't about speeding things up, it's about taking better care of what's already there. And that's the truth about aloe vera and hair growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.